For first handstand over here, and then connect the whole washing machine, and then end it up with the walking out. So we're going to go handstand in. So there's a stopping point in the foot to hand. And there's a stopping point in the head to hand. Stopping point in the foot. Go.
Oh,
I was going, I was done miles, you know.
She wants to get loud, and she forgets that the star walk over his way. But she was doing really well. Yeah, so it's handstand in to foot to hand. So there's a stop. And then it's to the hand to hand. You could stop there if you want, but you can continue. That's how you connect these moves. So flow, flow, flow. Everything flows.